Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over the agenda for January 29th, 2021 while I am absent. These assignments can be found in the red folder at the top of our Schoology page that says Sub 1/29/2021. There are 4 different ed puzzles that you have to complete. Those 4 different ed puzzles are notes about foreshadowing that I do highly recommend you take your own personal notes along with the ed puzzle, whether that is on paper or that is on a Google Docs. That way you can repeatedly reference it. These foreshadowing notes, although I'm sure you have covered foreshadowing before, these foreshadowing notes use terms that you may not have heard before, and therefore, since they are used throughout the course, I do recommend taking your own personal notes. And then we have 3 ed puzzles that review the content that is within the foreshadowing notes. Those 4 assignments are due by midnight on Monday, and although they are due at midnight on Monday, we are not using class time on Monday to work on them, so I do recommend getting them done as soon as possible. Also remember that all of these assignments here are due Friday, January 29th at midnight, so that would be all of your ARC quizzes and your ARC vocab, so please make sure that you have those turned in by midnight as well. Make sure that you also log your silent reading in this pink folder that says Silent Reading Tracking Sheet. We are working on weeks 1 through 4. So you should read for 15 minutes silently at the beginning of class, log your silent reading, complete the work that is in the subfolder, and make sure you turn in your ARC vocab and your ARC quizzes. Alright guys, I hope that you all stay happy and healthy, and I can't wait to see you guys again soon. Bye!